Beard oil, beard balm, beard butter, beard jelly, beard wax, mustache wax, beard wash, beard shampoo, beard co-wash, beard conditioner, beard softener, beard leave-in conditioner. This is not even a full list of all the products you can find on the market. Are you confused yet? This is Simon from Sweyn Forkbeard, and in this video I will explain what all of these products are, what you actually need and how to correctly use them. To make it easier, I will split these products into 3 categories: washing, conditioning and styling. Sweyn Forkbeard is natural and organic male grooming product manufacturer and retailer. Every year we meet tens of thousands of our customers in person and share experiences. This is why we can proudly say that we know everything about beards and traditional wood shaving. As I mentioned in the video about beard oils, by the way, you can find a link to it in the description. If you're only going to use one product for your beard, it has to be a beard oil. Beard oils provide hair and the skin underneath with moisture and help to lock it in. They're also rich with vitamins and nutrients necessary for a healthy hair growth. A healthy beard is a good-looking beard. This is why a good beard oil can substitute most of the other beard care products. I will talk more about this later in the video. For now, let's start with the first beard care product category: cleaning and washing products. Obviously, you cannot wash your beard with a beard oil, so here you will definitely need something else. A regular soap? Of course, you cannot avoid getting it on your beard when washing your face, but you shouldn't use it to wash your beard. Regular soaps will dry your skin and the hair, causing itchiness, flaky skin and coarse hair. Should you use a regular shampoo then? No. Regular shampoos are even harsher than the soaps. The hair on the head are much more resilient and the scalp produces more natural oils than the face. Try washing your beard with a regular shampoo for a couple of times and you can say hello to dandruff. You know what's even worse than a regular shampoo? A shower gel. So what should you use? A beard shampoo. Nope, it's not a joke, it's not a regular shampoo with a different label. Beard shampoos are designed to strip off the wax and the dirt gathered in the beard while keeping the moisture in. Beard shampoos come in liquid form as well as solid bars. Sweyn Forkbeard produces both solid and liquid beard shampoos. They are made of natural ingredients and do not contain any sulfates or parabens. Personally, I'm using a liquid Sweyn Forkbeard beard shampoo. It's much easier to dispense, store and carry when traveling. It takes only a couple of squeezes with the pump to dispense the right amount of beard shampoo for my beard. It is why this 100 ml bottle lasts me a long time. Last but most important, do not wash your beard daily. Of course, it will get rinsed as you wash your face, but do not apply any shampoos on a daily basis. It will help you to keep your beard healthy and strong. On average, I deep wash my beard every 3 days or so. So you washed your beard, what now? The second category of beard care products are the conditioning products. Even if you use the beard shampoo, water itself will strip a lot of oils off your beard, so your beard will become a little bit frizzy and tangly. You need to condition it. For that purpose, there are beard conditioners, beard softeners and beard co-washes. Apply it after you wash your beard, leave it for a few minutes and rinse it out. Beard conditioners do not have any hair or skin health benefits, but they will make your beard feel lighter and softer. They will also reduce the tangles and the frizziness. Do you know what else provides your beard with the very same benefits? A beard oil. It will also moisturize your hair and the skin underneath, as well as provide it with vitamins and nutrients. There is another category of beard conditioners. They are called leave-in conditioners. Basically, you apply it in the evening after the shower and leave it in your beard for the night. A leave-in conditioner is basically another name for a beard butter. So what's a beard butter? A beard butter is a mix of shea mango butters with beard oils. Because of the lack of naming standards in the industry, some companies call it a beard balm, the others call it a leave-in conditioner, but really it's a beard butter. Beard butters are designed to provide you with a long-lasting moisture. A good beard oil moisturizes the skin and the beard, locks the moisture in, providing it with the very same long-lasting moisture. However, beard oils are much easier to apply to the skin level where it's most beneficial, and they do not leave any greasy residue, unlike the beard butters. Have you ever heard about beard jelly? Beard jelly is basically something between beard butter and beard oil. The main difference between beard oil and beard jelly is that beard jelly makes your beard feel and look greasy. So what's the conclusion? Is the beard oil the ultimate conditioner? In my opinion, it is. Beard oils not only hydrate and lock in the moisture, they also provide skin and hair with vitamins and nutrients. In turn, you get a healthy beard. And the healthy beards are the ones that look great. I have a separate video about beard oil benefits and quality ingredients. I'm going to put a link to that video in the description below. To condition my beard, I'm using Sweyn Forkbeard beard oils. My favorite one is called the Notting Hill Walk. To find this oil as well as 7 other scents, you can visit our website at www.sweynforkbeard.co.uk. Third and the last category of the beard care products is the styling products. So you got this annoying flyway here sticking out and it's not quite trim o'clock yet. Or you woke up to this unmanageable side beard. You need a quick styling fix. A go-to product here is a beard balm. However, because of the lack of the naming standards in the industry, some of the beard balms are actually beard butters, and some of the beard butters do contain wax, so you can use them for styling. On the top of the ingredient list in a real beard balm, there should be beeswax. Beard balms usually contain a little bit of shea or mango butters, as well as a drop of beard oils to ease the application, but the main ingredient should be wax. The same beard balm by some companies could be called beard wax, even though other companies produce beard wax from a pure beeswax. Pure beeswax provides you with the strong hold. However, it's much harder to apply it and it doesn't nourish your hair or the skin. When I need to quickly tame my beard, I'm using Sweyn Forkbeard beard balm. Sweyn Forkbeard beard balm has a high percentage of beeswax. However, because of the shea butter in it, it's easy to apply. Sweyn Forkbeard beard balm also contains castor oil, which nourishes the beard. The final beard care product is actually not for the beards. It's a mustache wax. Mustache waxes are designed to hold in shape long and heavy mustaches. Usually the percentage of the beeswax in the mustache wax is much higher than in the beard balm, and some companies even produce the mustache wax from a pure beeswax. Sweyn Forkbeard mustache wax has a tiny bit of shea butter in it to ease the application. However, it has an incredibly strong hold. To conclude, out of all the products out there in the market, you really only need 3. A beard shampoo to clean your beard, a beard oil to condition it, and a beard balm to style. Whether it's a liquid beard shampoo or a solid bar, you should start by washing your beard. You shouldn't wash your beard daily, it will get rinsed as you wash your face, and that is enough. To prevent your skin and hair damage, only wash your beard with a beard shampoo every 3rd day or so. Right after washing or rinsing your beard, tap it down with a towel to a slightly damp level and apply a beard oil. I usually apply beard oil twice a day, in the evening after the shower and in the morning before going out. To learn more about beard oils, I will give you a link in the description to a video where I explain everything in detail. Finally, if you need to, you can style your beard with a beard balm. As I mentioned before, Sweyn Forkbeard beard balm contains a high percentage of beeswax, so to apply it, you will need to scrape it with the back of your thumbnail, put it in your palm and warm it up till it liquefies. Beard balm not only styles but also acts as a shield. This is why you should apply your beard oil first. Put your beard oil on, wait a few minutes and then apply the beard balm. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like this video and subscribe for more. You can also find a lot of male grooming content on our Facebook and Instagram. Sweyn Forkbeard produces organic and handmade male grooming cosmetics and tools. We have a range of more than 130 products for beard care, traditional wet shaving and hairstyling. Our cosmetics consist of natural ingredients. We do not use harsh chemicals, sulfates or parabens. Most of our cosmetics are suitable for vegans. Our tools are made of the best quality materials. They are durable and will last 2 years. Our tools are also easy to use. To find the whole range of our products, please visit our website at www.sweynforkbeard.co.uk.